Hey everyone, if you want to know how to achieve this lash look, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing my own lash extensions. I've been doing my own lashes for about 3 years now, so I don't need anybody in the comments trying me. Don't try me. Anyways, I'm going to be using a decurl for mine. I'm going to be using 20s on the outer corner, 19s in the middle, and then 18s in my inner corner. I'm going to list everything down below in the description bar, just so you guys can know what I'm using. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm not completely finished with this eye. I'm going to put some more in the inner corner, but I'm just going to go ahead and start on this eye just to get it over with so I can go back and do the inner corners, and yeah, I'll be back. So I finally finished this set. It took me about 2 hours to complete the whole thing, which is not too bad. I know the video was really short, but you guys got the gist of it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below on other videos you guys want to see. Bye.